Good morning to all of you. So today we discuss about the harmonic mean. So first of all, we start with the meaning of the harmonic mean. And the meaning of the harmonic mean is that harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the average of the reciprocal items. The formula defines the harmonic mean with the HM as that is given as follows. If x1, x2 and x3 so on to the xn are the individual items up to the n items or n terms. So after this, we know that harmonic mean is the mathematical average also. It is the based on the reciprocal of the items. The harmonic mean of the series is defined as the reciprocal of the arithmetic average of the reciprocal of the value of the various items. So this is the formula of the harmonic mean. So first of all, 1 divided by x1 and plus 1 bracket 1 divided by x2 divided close plus divided plus bracket 1 divided x3 bracket close plus so on to up to the xn, that is the up to a nth term. So this is the divided of with n number of observations. After the reciprocal of this, so we find out with the new formula of harmonic mean. So this is the meaning of the harmonic mean. After this meaning, we discuss some merits and demerits of the harmonic mean. First of all, we discuss the merits of the harmonic mean. So harmonic mean basically used in measure of center tendency also. The following merits of the harmonic mean is firstly, it is rigidly confirmed. Basically, it is rigidly defined in the series. It is based on all views of the series. All observations in the given data cannot be computed by ignoring any item of the series. And the third is it is able to advance the algebraic method also. It is capable for further algebraic treatment. In problems relating to item and rate, it gives a better result than over average. It provides a more reliable result when the result to be achieved at the same of the various means adopted. It provides the highest weight to the smallest item of the series. So this is the merit of the harmonic mean. On the other hand, demerits of the harmonic mean as under. Harmonic mean is greatly affected by the value of extreme items or extreme values. It is difficult to understand and calculate if any item is 0. It gives more weightage to small items. This is not desirable feature. Its value cannot be computed when there is both positive and negative items in a series or when one or more items are 0. The harmonic mean of the cumbersome as involves the calculation using the reciprocal of the numbers. So this is the demerit of harmonic mean. On the other hand, calculation of the harmonic mean. Basically, calculation of the harmonic mean with the following ways. This is basically 3 ways. That is, first one is individual, second one is discrete series, and third one is continuous series. This is the series of the harmonic mean. First one we discuss with the harmonic mean as a series of individual series. So first of all, we discuss with individual series. So let's start with the example. So let's start with example with individual series and the so this is formula of the individual series is that n summation 1/2. This is the formula of individual series. So after this start with the example. So first one example is that following items solved with harmonic mean with the integer series. And the series of this 2, 4, 7, 12 or 19. This is the so after this we find out the solution of this series is that that is 2, 4, 7, 12 and 19. We know that harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the item. So this is based on the reciprocal of the items. So first of all, we reciprocal of the X series calculate harmonic mean in the individual series. So reciprocal of this X series that is 1 divided by X series. So that is 2. And after that divided of this equation we find out the value of 0.500. So after this 1 divided by 4 same as it we find out the new value is that 0.2500. So after the 7 we find out the new value is 0.1429. 1 divided by 12. After this, we find out 0.0833. And the next is 1 divided by 19. We find out the new value is 0.0526. So after this, we find out the number of observation and the total of the reciprocal item. Number of observations that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is number of observation is 5, and the total of the reciprocal items is that summation 1 over x. That is total of the items. This is 1.0288. So this is the value of reciprocal items. So now we fit into the equal series the formula of summation and divided summation 1 over x. So n is the number of observation that is 5. After this summation 1 over x. Value of this 1.0288. So after this divided of this value we find out the value 4.8. So this is the individual series of the harmonic mean with this formula. This formula is related to the individual series. So now we find out the next series that is discrete series. Discrete series, second series of the harmonic mean. Discrete series. So now formula used for calculating the harmonic mean in the discrete series, that is harmonic mean is equal to n divided summation f 1 over x. So n is the number of observations, f is equal to frequency as the same is, that is the summation f is 1 over x is the reciprocal of the items. So obtain that total of this of value. So now start with the new example. That is, so after this is a formula. N is a number of observation, f is a frequency, and this is obtain the total of the value and the reciprocal of the item. We find it with the new example. So now example is this. Following table given the marks obtained the student in the class. That is calculate marks obtained as first of all marks is and the number of students. Firstly, marks is 18, 21, 30 and 45. On the other hand, number of the student in the class, that is 6, 12, 9. So last one is, so after this, on this other hand, with the marks denoted with the value of x series and the number of students denoted with the value of f means x series, and the number of students is denoted with the frequency. So after this, we find out the frequency divided with the x value, reciprocal of the items. So first of all, f value, that is 3, and the x value, that is 18. After the divided of this value, we find out 0.333. So next one is 12 divided by 21, 9 divided by 30, 2 divided by 55. After the divided of these values, we find out the new values, that 0.571, 9 divided by 30, that is 0.3000, and the 2 divided by 45, that is 0.0444. Now total of this value, that is, so n is the number of observation or f is the frequency. So after this, total of the frequency. After the total of the frequency, we get 29 f or n, number of observation or frequency. The total of the frequency is 29. So after this, f divided by x, reciprocal of the x item with the frequency. So after this, we fit this equation into the formula. The formula of this series is that, first of all, n divided by summation f 1 over. So first of all, number of observation is 29. So after this, summation f and the x. So after the total of this value is, we find out summation f 1 over x. The total of this equation is 1.248. 1.248. So after the divided of this equation, we find out the new equation, that is 23.237. This is the answer of discrete series harmonic mean. So this is the formula of discrete series in the harmonic mean using with the frequency and number of observation and the reciprocal items with the frequency divided with the x series. So now we discuss with the next series, that is a continuous series. Continuous series using with class intervals, mid values. So now let's start with the formula of continuous series. Continuous series of the harmonic mean. To calculate the harmonic mean in the continuous series using the sum obtaining the mid value of the class interval that is denoted by small m. So how to calculate the mid value? That is lower item plus upper item and the number of items, that is 2 in the class interval. Then we find out the value of the mid. So we find out the help of a class interval, we find out the mid value. That is so next one is after the discrete series. Now let's start with the continuous series with the formula of harmonic mean, that is summation n summation f divided by n. So now n is the number of observations, f is the frequency. We use it in this formula, and now m is the mid value. So after this, obtain the mid value of each class denoted with the m, small m. So after this, calculate the harmonic mean with the new example. In the continuous series, that is marks and now number of students. In the last series, we know that marks is donated with the F series and the number of students donated with the F series, frequency. So after all, marks of the student is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. So this is the class interval. So now number of students is that 4, 7, 28, 12, and 9. So this is the class interval we denoted with the X series, and this is the frequency and the number of students that is denoted with the frequency. So now number of the observation and the total frequency is that N over F means number of the frequency, total number of the frequency. So that is 60. So after this, we find out the mid value. How to find out the mid value? We find out the mid value with the help of upper limit or lower limit and the number of items given in the series. So lower limit in the class interval, lower limit first one is 0 plus upper limit is 10 divided with the number of series 1 or 2. So 2. After the divide plus 10 divided by 2. After the division of this value, we find out the 5. So mid value divided by number of item is 2, same as it. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. So now 15 same as 25, 35, and the last one is the 45. This is the mid value. So now find out the reciprocal of the item which half of mid value, that is frequency, and the divided of the mid value. And the frequency is that 4 divided by 5. After 7 divided by 5. 28 divided by 25. 12 divided by 35. And the last one is 9 divided by 45. After the dividing of this value, we find out the new values like 4 divided by 5, 0.8000. 7 divided by 5, that is 0.4667. After the divided of 28 divided with 25, we find out the 1.1200. 12 divided by 35. After this 0.3429. And 9 divided by 45. After this 0.2000. And the total of this series, this is the reciprocal items. Reciprocal item frequency divided with the mid value. So now this is the summation F, and the total of this series is that 2.9296. So this is the total of this series. So now this series put into the formula. In the continuous series, then the formula